Hi, I'm Steven,
I'm Troy.
and we work at Copyright Clearance Center. And we thought on this nice Friday afternoon we would sort of open up the vault and let you know about some of the really crazy questions we get regarding copyright.
In fact, it might be hard to believe, but we actually get a lot of questions about food. For
Really?
example, these chips and salsa. Some customers have asked about recipes that they might have that they'd wish to make a copy of and share with their friends, family, or even publish in a book.
And your response to those?
Well, generally, they shouldn't make a copy of a recipe and publish it for their own. They should check with the rights holder to see if they have permission to do that. But it brings up an interesting question. What about the list of ingredients in these chips or this salsa? Is that copyrightable?
That's a really good question. So, if you were to just come up with a list of ingredients that went into the salsa, that probably would not be a copyrightable event. It would not be covered by copyright law. However, if you were to have the actual recipe and you were to go off and copy it and then put it into your own cookbook, as is from the other person, you most likely would be infringing on the copyrights and would be in trouble.
Interesting.
In fact, there was a cookbook that came out by Jerry Seinfeld's wife, Jessica. And she produced a cookbook. It was about how to encourage your kids to eat vegetables, how you hide pureed vegetables between cheese when you make grilled cheeses, or I saw something about...
Or in salsa.
Or in salsa, yes, exactly. Well, she created this book. It came out 6 months after a very similar book. The author of the first book took Jessica to court, saying that there was certainly a potential copyright infringement. The case was ultimately thrown out because the creative expression of the recipes was different enough in the two cookbooks that it was not considered to be a copyright infringement.
So it's not just about text and sharing of works. It could be about food. But regardless of copyright, I like eating salsa.